Burritos, y'all, with sous vide chuck roast. Oh my goodness, they so tasty. So don't forget to give me that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Let's get it. So first thing first, we're gonna go ahead and roast these peppers. So we're gonna hit them with a little bit of this olive oil with my little spritzy spritz. Y'all know how I like my spritzy spritz. So let's go ahead and rain on them with a little salt. That's just gonna help that skin to draw up. So I'm gonna get this in my broiler or my air fryer, but I don't set it to broil. And that's gonna have me at 500 degrees. And then we gonna go ahead and get our peppers in here. Now about halfway through. This is usually about 4 to 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and give them a flip. Now this is what you want it to look like about halfway through. Just trying to try that skin, y'all. Just trying to try that skin. Now while we waiting on that, let's go ahead and chop an onion. Just simple little choppy chop. Now around the time that we get our onion chopped, our pepper should be ready to go. Oh yeah. Then we're gonna simply wrap this into a paper towel. Now some people use a plastic bag. I find that a paper towel works just fine. But either way it works. And that's all that matters, y'all. So into our pan, we're gonna get 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And we're gonna go ahead and get our onions in here. Go ahead and get those to mix and mix. Then we're gonna add in a can of tomato sauce. Now to our tomato sauce, we're gonna add about a tablespoon of cumin. About a tablespoon of chili powder. Tablespoon of onion powder. And a half a tablespoon of smoked paprika. And we're gonna go ahead and mix that up. once we get that mix, we're gonna add in a cup of stock. Now I had chicken stock on hand, so that's what I used, but I would have preferred to use beef stock. And then we're gonna get in our sous vide chuck roast. Now I sous vide this one for 24 hours at 180 degrees. And this is more like stewed style. So depending on what you want, you're gonna vary on that temperature. But I think I'm gonna do a follow-up video on that. Just show you what I'm talking about. So to this, we're gonna add in a healthy tablespoon of sour cream. And we're gonna give that a mix. And let all them flavors come together. Now we're just gonna let this simmer. Now that's a low simmer, y'all. But we're gonna let that low simmer for about 5 minutes. And we'll be ready to eat, y'all. We'll be ready to eat. So while that's simmering, let's go ahead and peel the skin off our peppers. And then we're gonna go ahead and get them into that food processor, y'all. To this, we're gonna add approximately a tablespoon of olive oil, two tablespoons of sour cream, and the juice of 1 lemon. Then we're gonna go ahead and process. You know, just a couple of quick pulses. Not no full process for real. Now we're gonna go ahead and rain on that. Hit it with about a teaspoon of salt. Hit it with some fresh pepper. But of course, salt and pepper is always to taste. Always to taste. But that's what your finished product should look like. Let's get our stewed meat a taste. Oh yeah, that'll work. That'll work. So let's go ahead and eat, y'all. Let's build. Get some of my beef. Some rice and beans. Now you can use whatever kind of beans you want. Black, pinto, hey, what you like. But anyway, let's add some cheese and some guacamole. And let's go ahead and roll our burrito up, y'all. Oh yeah. Look at that finished product, y'all. Give this a cut. Cut it on oven. Oh my goodness. I added me a little extra guac and a little sour cream on the side. I enjoy it, y'all. But anyway, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.